Have you ever sat there and looked at a dashboard or analytics and been like, what do I do with this information? We're talking about data analysis and then executive decision making, right? Those are some complex skills that, like, let's say it's the end of your day and you're just now trying to, piece together what to do with this data. It can be tough to decide those things. And in today's training, guys, I want to show you how to simplify this. And in the near future, it's going to be even easier. But as of right now, it's as simple as an export and a prompt to get some really detailed feedback on your analysis, on your analytics in your dashboard. And this specifically, this training is about Dubb and how to do it with Dubb analytics. But the same training could potentially be applied for nearly anything. So here's how it goes. The very first step is to go to the dashboard, the contact or the database that you're trying to extract the information from. In this case, it's Dubb. So we're going to go to our Dubb dashboard. And then here, you guys know that there's a reporting section, right? When we go to reporting, we're going to have activity here. And this is where we're going to see things like clicks, watches, opens, etc. And then what we have here also is the ability to filter this report. So instead of getting every single thing, I'm going to want to sort of isolate some more important elements, right? Like our video watches, our page views, and our button clicks. The reason I recommend isolating these first. Now, if you don't have a lot of data yet, you're just getting started, you might also start with email clicks because that means they at least clicked on whatever the link you had in the email, which is potentially a video, maybe even something else. But that would be the only other one I might include. The reason why I don't want to use things like opens are because those email opens could have been a bot, right? It could have been a CRM or an iPhone or something that previewed it. So it's not as valuable in this test we're trying to do because this is going to give us exactly who our hottest prospects are, what our top videos are, who to follow up with, and what to do, some suggestions. So again, the filters I recommend are clicks. Those are who clicked on the buttons below your videos, watches, page views, potentially email clicks. Then you're going to filter a date range, right? You don't want all time necessarily. You want to filter something shorter. And then you're going to hit the export. And then that is going to give you a specific output, a CSV file, which again is a lot of data to look at if you're not like in data analysis mode, but you don't need to do that anymore. So what I've done over here is a very simple prompt. And I'm going to copy and paste. I'm going to give this access to you guys. If you're watching this training online, we'll put this in the description of this video. So this prompt will be available to you. It's a little bit longer because I've asked them to clean it up. But what it's going to do is it's going to actually give you a breakdown of all those things, which videos are performing, which contacts are clicking on what, at what volume, at what rate, right? This is going to tell you exactly who your low-hanging fruit are, who your most engaged prospects are, who the people that are the furthest down your funnel. It's also going to tell you what your top performers are, what your top buttons are, what your top videos are. So in this one prompt, if you've had any analysis in your Dubb account, you're going to be able to export and get a fantastic report like this one here, giving you a CSV file, another CSV file. But in this case, it's going to have that breakdown of tables and stuff that show you your contact tiers, right? The most engaged, the middle tier, the least engaged, a summary of all of your stuff. You can see these items have been redacted because I actually put some real data in here to do this analysis, and it worked very well. So, and when I say this application is not just specific to Dubb, and it doesn't have to be a CSV file, guys. This is not a perfect example because there's not quite enough information here, but you could even take something like a dashboard screenshot and put that into AI and ask for some analysis. That's not quite going to be the full picture. And if you're looking at something that has potentially a longer screen like this, then there's a resource like this called Full Page Screenshot. And so what it did is it actually took a screenshot of the entire page, and I can put that into now, I'll save it as a PDF first, but then put that into the prompt. So the point of this training, guys, is whether you have a visual graph or chart or analysis or thing that you don't understand or would like help analyzing, or it's the CSV file actually containing the monster data that you need to help break down. This is all now possible to get really smart decisions and exactly who's doing what, when and where, videos, etc., all in this one simple prompt that's going to be in the description and the recap of this video. So that's it. If you've been with Dubb for some time, take this next step. Come find out who your hottest people are. Maybe it's somebody you already knew. Maybe there's some diamonds in the rough there you didn't even know exist. And if this is for some other type of software that you need some help with data analysis, figure out which of these is best. Is it an export of the data itself, or is it a visual full page screenshot of some charts or graphs you need help understanding? Always also be sure to include full context here. The type of report, if you're generating something custom outside of the prompt I'm giving you, the prompt I'm providing is specific to Dubb and video analytics, guys. So if you're looking to apply this formula to some other type of analysis, be sure to adjust the prompt for your appropriate analysis, right? What metrics are you after? What is the things you're trying to compare? And don't be afraid to compare more than one image or sheet or thing at a time, right? You can upload multiple of these and have that comparison done at once. So that's it, guys. Make your life easy and make smart decisions based on data using analysis. So see you in the next one. And if you'd like to get support in your own analytics and training and stuff, come register, come check out a free trial Dubb, come check out one of these trainings and book a seat in the open mic. We'll happily review your analytics and stuff for you as well. See you in the next one, guys. Thanks.